So I'm going to start with the driver's side headlight and give you guys the backside view of this thing. Basically, you just need to get in there and just pull that connector. Just comes right off. You just start peeling off this rubber seal. So right here is what you have to depress and then lift off that hook, and then it kind of goes around the bulb and pivots over here on the left, and then also hooks around the bottom edge of the bulb. Sorry it's not in perfect focus. I just got the camera so close because I didn't want to end up removing the battery, so I'm just kind of jamming my phone in there, but there's a better angle right there of how that looks. You have the clip, you lift up with your finger, and then it lifts up so you can get that bulb out. And you kind of have to push it in and then bring it upward to release it. And that swings open, and then out comes the bulb. So when handling these halogen bulbs, you never want to touch the glass, because any oils from your skin or gloves even can get on there, create a hot spot, and shorten the life of these things. So it's important just to handle them with care and just be careful. And we need to make sure we get it in going the right way, and it is with the center terminal upward and that little tab there on top. So you gently put it into place. And after it's in place, you roll that retainer back in and get it set on the hook. So after you get the bulb installed, you just reposition the seal on the back, and you got to get that bulb to poke through, showing the terminals, so you can get them with the connector. And just make sure that's nice and sealed. Next, we just reinstall the headlight bulb connector.